Ladies and gentlemen, I will give you a glance what vitamin C can do to maintain the healthy skin. I have experienced a very dull skin tone, acne and pimples all over my face. As you can see right here, this is my face skin condition before I took enough vitamin C. And the next picture is my current skin condition after I took enough vitamin C, which means I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and also I apply vitamin C serum on my face every single day. Look how vitamin C brightens up my dull skin tone and treat the acne. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nurul Husnina Nazifa and I'm here to talk about the importance of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin to our body. Our body does not produce a vitamin C, but we have to eat it. First and foremost, the scientific name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is water-soluble vitamin that is necessary for normal growth and development. It contains antioxidants that can help strengthen body defenses such as protect body against infection, helps iron absorption, protecting cells and maintaining healthy skin. Moreover, I have done some research throughout several articles. The articles prove that vitamin C intake can reduce heart disease and treat cancer. Besides all that, sufficient vitamin C intake also can avoid scurvy. What is scurvy? Scurvy is a disease caused by lack of vitamin C intake. The effect of scurvy is anemia, fatigue, weakness, as well as hair and teeth loss. Referring to this table, it shows the top 10 of food that contains highest level of vitamin C. Guava, kiwi, and bell pepper contain more than 100 milligrams of vitamin C, which is very good to our body health. And the other fruits and vegetables contain around 23 milligrams to 98 milligrams of vitamin C. According to the recommended dietary allowances, RDA state that every life stages has different vitamin C intake. As you can see right here, the recommended intake for adult women is 75 milligrams per day, which lower than adult men where they consume 98 milligrams of vitamin C per day. Vitamin C intake is crucial as it can bring benefit to body health, which can treat cancer and maintain healthy skin. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the first point. According to the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Dermatology Research titled Vitamin C and Skin, written by KG Sugiura and Mariko Sugiura, prove that vitamin C can increase collagen fiber and decrease the wrinkles. Vitamin C acts to produce and stabilize collagen synthesis that can protect human tissue against various pollutants, superoxide, heavy metals, and chemical substances. Apart from that, the other importance of vitamin C that has been mentioned in the article is vitamin C can protect skin against ultraviolet damage. Ultraviolet light is the type of electromagnetic radiation that makes black light posture glow, which can cause sunburn. Also, ultraviolet can decrease the vitamin C of the skin. Skin disorder due to ultraviolet damage may increase due to decreasing ozone layers. Thus, people should consume sufficient vitamin C as protection against ultraviolet damage, and it will modify skin structure. Ladies and gentlemen, now you know how vitamin C helps in protecting the skin. Let's move to the next point. Ladies and gentlemen, vitamin C is an agent that can treat cancer too. According to the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, titled Vitamin C, written by Amanda Kirschluter and Carol S. Johnston, there is much research in vitro suggesting that vitamin C is highly effective at destroying a wide variety of cancer. High intake of vitamin C can decrease the risk of certain cancer, particularly the cancer of oral cavity, lung, esophagus, breast, as well as stomach cancer. Prospective investigation has been made in 10 countries. It indicates that gastric cancer risk was reduced 45% for individuals that have high level of vitamin C in their body. Ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, sufficient vitamin C intake can help people to get healthy body and healthy skin. In order to reduce the risk of cancer and unhealthy skin, each of the individuals must be responsible towards their body health. People should eat fruits and vegetables that contain high levels of vitamin C every single day. Moreover, women and men should be aware about their skin condition because people always give a perception towards someone by looking at the appearance. Do apply a skincare that contains ascorbic acid, as it can protect the skin and repair the skin barrier. Consequently, healthy skin can boost up self-confidence level. If any of us are not aware about the importance of vitamin C, there is a little consideration or attempt to suffer from scurvy disease and cancer. It is our responsibility to spread the awareness and knowledge about the importance of vitamin C to the people out there. People should eat vegetables and fruits regularly as prevention, otherwise they may suffer from dangerous disease. That's all from me. Thank you.